Hey Subbies, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to put in these passion twists and I figured I haven't made a video in such a long time. Let me just turn the camera on and show you guys what I'm doing, how I do it. And keep in mind, I am not a professional and parting is not my A game. So yeah, let me just quit talking and kind of just get into the video so you guys can see what I did. So starting on freshly washed, deep conditioned hair, and the only thing I have on my hair at this point is castor oil. I've been loving castor oil a lot lately. It is part of my regrowth regimen, and if you guys want to know a little bit more about that, let me know in the comments. I definitely will put a video out regarding what I'm doing to regrow my hair. Went through a lot of stress in the last year, had a lot of hair shedding, but let me refocus. I am getting ready to part my hair, and these are the types of parts. I did not film this part because my parting game is not my strong point. So this is what it should look like, and I'm actually putting in my last rubber band. So I did the typical rubber band method that most of the girls on YouTube do. They use the what is that called? It is called Let's Jam Extra Strong gel. I will put a picture of it in there. So they put the rubber band in and they use the Let's Jam to kind of tighten up the roots, make it look nice and neat. I would recommend that you take your time, ladies, when you're doing your parts. I would part your hair in half from front to back and then half from left to right, and then make your parts that way. It might be easier for you, but you guys let me know in the comments what is the best way that you have found to part your hair. So now I have all my rubber bands in my hair and I'm getting ready to start with my first passion twist. So I am going to add in there's that gel, or actually I guess it's edge control. But anyhow, I add that into the length of my hair to kind of make my hair real straight and so it can blend in with the passion twist. And I will also show you a picture of the passion twist. Mine comes in, I want to say $13 for a pack, and like 4 bundles came in the pack. I end up only using one pack, but that's because, as you can see, I'm using one little twist per square. Some people use two to kind of make it a little bit more bulky and juicy, and maybe next time I do this I probably will do that. But as you can see, I wrap it around my hair, I braid it down for about maybe 2 inches, and then I put my hair, I push it with the passion twist, and I continue twisting it down all the way down to the end. And the length, if you're wondering, I got 20 inches. There's 3 packs of thread, 20 inches, and 1 pack of 18-inch in each bundle that I purchased. And I purchased a total of 3. So I have some extra so I can do this set again. So I'm just going to keep going all the way down till I finish this twist. And honestly, this whole process went kind of like a breeze. And I say that because I don't typically do protective styles. I don't do braids. I don't do that much of that type of stuff. And for me to say that this went by as a breeze, I was so impressed on how fast it went. Granted, my parts could have been better and straighter, and I could have done some things the night before, but it was kind of on a spur of the moment. I seen it in the beauty salon store, picked it up, and I decided I wanted to do these in my hair. So here is another one of the little rubber band parts. I'll add in the gel, and then I'll add in the hair, and I'm just gonna keep going until I'm all the way done. But in total, I want to say it did take me about 4 hours, but granted, I paused to play ball with my little ones. I also paused to eat. I also washed and deep conditioned my hair. That is included in the 4 hours, and dried my hair. I've done so much stuff during that whole time period. So yeah, 4 hours for me. I started at 8 o'clock at night. Around 8:20 is when I was deep conditioning my hair, and about 20 after midnight I was done. I mean, I was like done. However, again, yes, I'm not 100% perfect with it, but to me, I liked it and I was very satisfied with how it came out. So I am at the last two passion twists. So I just wanted to come back on camera just to show you how I installed these. These are super simple. I just add the gel in, and then I'll get my passion twist once I'm done straightening out my hair with the gel. And then you'll see that the passion twist has two pieces, and then your hair makes the third leg, so you can start with the braid down. But like I said earlier, this was a super easy install. The only thing I personally would concentrate more on for the next time I do it is my parting, to make sure it's not the easiest to part the back of your head. But everyone else on YouTube makes it seem so easy and they look so pro at it, but I wasn't. But that's okay, because I still like them and I'm still enjoying them, and I'm really loving the versatility. Also, the passion twists are super simple to manipulate and deal with. So I just open them up from the bottom, and then I just kind of straighten them back out. And then you'll see that I use my hair as the third leg for the regular braid. And yeah, I'm really enjoying these. And here I am, finally done. I was not exhausted or anything like that. I was super happy with how fast the process went, and that's me just playing around with the styles. Like, I just finished this. I wasn't tired. I just wanted to see the versatility of this hair and just the different little styles I could do and come up with. I'm so excited to be playing and doing styles with this, and hopefully, you know, I'll have like an update video with you for you guys, just to kind of show you the little different styles I played with and how I enjoy the hair. But this is it with the hair down. And also I love the ponytail look. I love the down to the side look. This hairstyle, I see why it's just so popular. It's really easy to do yourself, and it's really cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Enjoy how I did the install. Hopefully it was helpful to you guys. Definitely leave me a comment below in the comments. Let me know, have you tried them? Are you going to try them? And yeah, I really enjoyed them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.